Today we will prepare warm and comforting spinach soup. We begin by adding little oil to a large pot on a medium-high heat and saute one chopped onion until they are soft for 4 to 5 minutes. To this we will add one grated sweet potato and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add salt and pepper to taste. To this we will add 2 cups of roughly chopped spinach. I am using frozen here. Let it saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. To this we will add around 2 cups of vegetable stock. In case you don't have stock, then you can add stock cubes and water instead. Bring this to a boil and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Till then, let's prepare our croutons. In a pan on medium-high heat, add olive oil and butter, bite-sized pieces of bread, and add some Italian seasoning to it. Mix it all together and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes until it's crispy. Now take out the soup in a blender and blend. Alternatively, you can also use an immersion blender. Now take it out in a pan and adjust the seasoning. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix. Now just before serving, take it out in a bowl and decorate it with croutons, chopped nuts and seeds, and a drizzle of coconut cream or normal cream. Spinach soup is ready. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.